On the table saw video, the new table saw, I said I was getting some gun bluing compound. We're going to be doing a quick project today. I've got just the power knobs from the table saw, and we're going to get them cleaned from rust. We've got some rust remover concentrate, which is very concentrated. And we've got our degreaser, we've got our isopropanol, paper towels, and a little bit of water. See if we can get these nice and black oxide finished. See if they work out. If they work out, then maybe later we'll do the rest of the table saw, all the metal parts on that, and make them look awesome as well. See if we can make it look nice and fresh and new. Firstly, I'm just going to give these a bit of a scuff to remove as much surface rust as possible, or at least loosen it up a little bit, and then I'll give it a bit of a degrease before going into the rust remover. Okay, onto concentrated degreaser. This is meant to be diluted, but I like to use it raw. It's much more effective that way. And now a little bit of isopropanol to rinse that off with. Well, it's starting to look better, but it's certainly not as nice as I would have hoped. Okay, back to degreaser. So this is a good base solution, so this will neutralize the acid from the rust remover. Okay, let's get this bluing solution open and we'll see what it can do for us. There's certainly some spots here which aren't really coming up, but it says to rinse and reapply. Okay, this is our second application. I'm going to use a smaller bit of paper towel this time. Don't waste so much solution this way. At least that's my hope. Let's make the paper towel a little bit damper, and that hopefully will lead to a faster, more wet application to everything. Okay, leave that for about 30 seconds and then we'll rinse it again. Okay, we can give these a little bit more of a rinse in our dirty rinse water. Got some fresh rinse water there for when we're done. Well, it's a little bit patchy, but overall it's better than rusty steel looked, so I'm not super thrilled. Maybe another scrubbing and application would work for it, but for now, I think that'll be fine. So we'll give these a really good clean up with some fresh water. Make sure we've got all the solution off and put them back on the saw. Well, the finish wasn't perfect on them, but a little bit of Hampshire sheen really helped bring that up. Looks quite nice now. I also used some Hampshire sheen on the plastic behind, which is looking a bit tired. Brought that up nicely as well. So I'd say maybe not the best bit of black oxide finish, but certainly better than was. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these get cleaned up and improved. I'll see if I get some time to do some of the other bits and pieces on the saw. I'm not overly thrilled with the finish. It's certainly better than it was, but I'm not sure if it's too worth going out of my way to go and do all the rest of the saw. If you enjoyed watching this and you want to see other shop projects, please hit subscribe down below. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications. And if you've got any ideas, leave a comment. Please hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.